Hello. So I apologize for the low light. Just want to review today's assignment real quick with you. Hope you guys have been enjoying learning about digestive system a bit and how digestion begins in the mind. When you salivate then, and you have that salivary amylase starts working on the sugars. You swallow in the stomach, proteins start getting worked on. And then it goes in the small intestines where all the other enzymes break down what's left of the food molecules for absorption throughout the small intestines. As it finishes in the large intestines, a lot of water is reabsorbed by the body. If it's not, that's diarrhea, right? And so forth. So you want to be familiar with some of those enzymes, maybe in the pancreas and salivary glands. And then you've had a couple days on nutrition and what the various nutrients are. Well, today you're going to do a nutrition lab, and I just want to run through because there might be some hiccups. It's a little more confusing and involved today. So first, under classwork. There you go. And week 2. And you don't see this yet, but you will. So Thursday, intro to food labels. You click on that. Hopefully, without any hiccups, all you have to do is click on this video. It's an Edpuzzle. Some of you have done these before. Please let me know if you're not able to access it. This is on YouTube. But through this process, you have these 6 questions you'll answer. So you'll watch this guy.
Girls, welcome back. We're going to be talking about nutrition.
And he does a fantastic job. Well, it is the same stuff that I would normally say. He gives an introduction, shows a nice old school video, and of course you have these questions to answer, all right, as you go. So that's the first thing you do, an Edpuzzle video, and it's a great video on nutrition labels, as that's one of the main sources for you, one of the easiest sources for you to find nutrition information about the foods you eat. Okay. So that's it. That'll take you about 10 to 15 minutes tops. And then there is a nutrition lab. This one will take you, it could take you the rest of the time. It could take you maybe 20 or 30 minutes. So let's go through the instructions real quick. So everything you need to complete the assignment is on the Google Doc titled Nutritional Virtual Lab. Typo there, sorry. Nutrition Virtual Lab. So everything you need to know is right here. So I kind of give you instructions twice. So the video you clicked on is this one right here that I had linked. So the links that are in this nutritional lab I put in here for your convenience. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what they are if you want to read them ahead of time. So here's the background information that is also on the website. So you can click on that. Nutrients and digestion. How can you design a healthful diet? So just kind of read that bit right there. There's the objectives for the lab, and then the procedure. Now, all this is done on the website. So you're going to go to a website, and this is where you will follow these instructions. The journal questions, those are also on the doc. So this is just an extra with the background and the procedure. If you had a printer and you wanted to print it out and put it next to you, you could do that. You don't need to, though, because, as I say, everything you need to complete the assignment is right here. So let's go ahead and look at that now. So this blue link right here, these blue words, is the same as right here, link. So you can click on either one. And from that website, I have put in the table that you will fill in, and you do that simply by clicking inside the box and typing in the numbers or words. And then here's your 4 journal questions that you will answer after completing the task. Okay? That's all there is to it. But it has been a point of confusion when I'm talking about right here, vending, and down here, vending machine. We're not talking about the one at school or in a shopping mart. We're talking about the vending machine in the lab. So let's go there. Click on it and go. And this is what you'll get. It'll be a blue screen and that's it, or nothing, especially if you're on the phone. But what you need to look for, and I unfortunately already just did this in preparing this video, so that's why it downloaded from me. But either in your left-hand corner over here, or a little drop down, or over here in the upper right-hand corner at the end of the URL, different browsers will tell you in different ways that it is blocked. You will need to download or unblock or allow. It's for mine, it came down, website was blocked. I clicked allow, and as you just saw, it takes about 3 seconds, and boom, you're here. So I don't want to take a lot of time in this video to show you what's here, but this is what's called the vending machine right here. Snack foods, breakfast foods, lunch foods, dinner foods. You can play around if you want. Oops. And click on some of these. So there's lunch foods, there's beverages, snack foods, breakfast foods, okay? To select, you click on that food and then click here to select the food. So it's a little odd. You think you just gotta click here first, but you don't. First you click on the food and you turn the light green, and then you come over here and say, click here to select it. Because what it does is when you click on it at first, it gives you all the information you need. This is what you use to fill in this. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3. These 6 groups are referring to the nutrient groups you just learned about yesterday. The food items, banana, oatmeal, sausage. That's what you type in here. Calories, all that information is given to you. So total calories from one banana, 105. So what you would do is in here, you would write banana, and what was it? 105. And what group is that? And you find out group, and it gives you all these things right here. So group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it tells you whether it's a bread, cereal, rice, pasta, vegetable, fruit, so on and so forth, and how many servings it is. So a banana is only 1 serving from group 3 fruits. So banana 105, group 3, and it's 1 serving. That's it. So we're done with that if that's what you selected. Now you go to your next one. Now we had already selected this here. Okay, that PDF that I showed you came from right here. How can you design a healthful diet? So this is the same information and background, just smaller. So if you don't like to read from the sidebar, like I said, you can download the PDF right here, Nutrition and Gluten Co. It's the same information as is right here. And that's it, objectives and the procedure, the 4 questions. All this is on the procedure. So it tells you how to select and what you're evaluating, whether you're male, female, how old you are, 2 years old, doubt it. All right. So over here it tells you the total daily recommended calories. So if you're a 14-year-old, looks like female, you want 1,500 to 3,000 calorie diet. Okay. Most food labels are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. All right, meaning that 2,000 calories a day is what you would average on average consume, but it depends on activity level and lifestyle. Okay, here are some tools down here, and I just want to show you the journal. These are the 4 questions that I already put. The calculator if you need it, graph which you won't need, and then home. It's kind of behind, so it's going to try to catch up. But this is the table I already provided you. So basically everything in this lab here, all right, I've already provided in here. The table and the 4 questions. The only thing missing here are all the instructions, which are right there on the left-hand side. Or if you printed them out, you could have printed them out from Gluten Co Nutrition. So I think I've repeated myself twice on each of these. Just be careful in following directions and design yourself a healthful diet. All right. Have fun with this. I need to clear this out so you guys don't see that. I mean, you can pick a banana if you'd like. Okay. All right. Have a great day. At the end of your nutrition lab and food, there is an exit ticket that is over the whole week. So it's tidbits from each of these sections. I think it's about 15 questions, 10, maybe 10 questions, 10 to 15 questions. Not too bad, not real deep, but you want to just have that familiarity with the information before you take it. I believe, let me see, sorry. Yeah, I can take one of these for attendance if you do these. and that'll give you till Friday evening to study if you want to have a day to review, but it won't be that hard. All right. Tschüss. Have a good day.